Hey everyone, welcome back to Fred's Garage. This is Fred. Thanks for coming back. So, I love my Maverick and I always want to keep doing something to it. And what I decided to do is put some decals on it. So, I reached out to this company called Rough Grounds, and they were kind enough to send me some decals for the Maverick. I've never placed any decals on before, so let's do it together and see how it comes out. If I can do it, you guys surely can, okay? So, let's see what we need. Alrighty, so what are we going to need for tools? We're not really going to need much. What we're going to need is a squeegee. But the squeegee has to have a felt edge because you don't want to scratch your paint and you don't want to scratch the decal, okay? And we're going to need a little bit of masking tape. We're going to need some way to cut paper of the decal. In my case, I'm going to use this nice little razor knife that is made for cutting paper. And optional, but would be a great investment, are these little magnetic holders. They go right on there. The bed of the Maverick's made out of steel, so they work. If it was aluminum, it wouldn't work. But these little magnetic holders, just to make our life a little easier. And then all we need is the decal. So I chose an American Flag decal. The tail light's going to go right in this recess right here, and the wheel well's going to go right around here. So the first thing I'm going to do to make my life easier is I'm going to trim some of this paper away so I can line it up better and trim some of this paper away. So let's get some scissors and let's do that. So I'm just going to, watching out not to scratch the truck, I'm just going to take some of this excess paper away. And then I'm going to come back here and I'm going to trim her up around that tail light. This way it makes it easier for me to line her up. Yeah, we're going to go right around the opening. Alrighty. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to line her up. Okay, so let's move these magnets. And let's line her up where she's supposed to be. Now you'll see that there's a recess here and we want the flag to follow the recess. And temporarily we're just going to place her right there. And then we're going to want the stars to follow the recess here. So I'm a little bit down, I'm going to move her up. And that's perfect. But what you really need to do is you need to step back and take a look. And that's where I want her to be. Now what I'm going to do is grab some tape. And I'm going to use this tape to make a hinge. So we're going to place this tape right here. And we're going to place this tape right here. And we're going to use this tape as a guide to help hold it on while we fold her back. I'm going to fold her back. We're going to peel. These stickers have a backing paper. We have to peel that backing paper off. So we're going to peel that backing paper off, making sure that all our decal stays on the transfer paper, okay? And let's use that magnet to help hold her right there. It's a little windy. This is a tough situation. It's so windy. So we're going to grab this tool and we're just going to cut right down. And we're going to get rid of this paper. Now what we're going to do is carefully grab our stars, line her up, start in the middle, and work our way out. And I'm going to use my fingers just to get her where I need her to be. And go right down the middle. And I'm going to pull her out. Try to get any creases out of there that are there. Then I'm going to use my squeegee. Trying to get any creases out of there. I'm not worried about these creases in the transfer paper because the transfer paper is not staying. I'm just worried about the creases in the decal. Now I'm going to take a look, and it looks pretty good. All right. So far, so good. Now we're going to move our magnets. We're not going to need the tape anymore, so let's get rid of the tape. All right, we're going to fold her back. Use the magnet to help hold her. We're going to fold her back. Use the magnet to help hold her. And we're going to peel off the backing paper. And we're going to peel off the backing paper, okay? And when you peel this paper, you want to come perpendicular to the decal. You want to pull it back like this. Pull her back, making sure that all the decal all right, and then we're just going to pull her back, just like that. Nice and easy. I'm going to use a couple of magnets just to hold her. And we're going to pull her right back. Okay. Here comes the big part. We're going to grab her. Bring her back exactly where we want it to be. Just touch her down. And now we're going to go from the middle out, okay? So we're going to follow this middle line. Just making sure everything's where it's supposed to be. Moving our way down. Moving our way down. Not worried about creases or marks in the transfer paper, just worrying about the decal, okay? Move our way down. And we'll work with any air pockets we have, okay? This is a difficult decal because it has so many pieces. Got a little crease there. Let's just pull it back and get the crease out. And using my thumb, it's going to make sure everything's where she needs to be. Pull her back. Line her up. Pull her back. Line her up. Let's fix this one. Pull her back. Line her up. All right, let's step back and take a look. Doesn't look too bad. Okay. Let's grab our squeegee. Let's go over all our decals. She looks pretty good. All right. Now we're going to grab this backing paper and we're going to gently pull it out, but we don't want to pull it this way. We want to pull it perpendicular to we want to pull it as close to the truck as possible, okay? So we don't pull up the stickers. That looks pretty good. Any air bubbles we'll massage out with our fingers. All right. And as I said, this is a difficult decal for the first time, but we're doing all right. And then we're going to go over all these stars and all these pieces once we're finished. All right, just massaging out the air bubbles. You can use your fingers. And a lot of these air bubbles will come out through the air gaps in this vinyl. A lot of these air bubbles will come out through the air release of this vinyl. All right. We got a big bubble here we're going to work on. The line's good, looks good. So what do you think? Not too bad, huh? I want to say thank you to Rough Grounds for this beautiful decal. And if you guys like this video, or please subscribe, hit the notification button, leave a comment, and you guys have a great day.